If Gmail is showing error 9816, don't worry. As Sir Delise today, in this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes you can try right now to get Gmail working again. This is a quick and easy troubleshooting guide, and the best part is you can follow along step by step without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, check your system date and time. A wrong date or time on your device can prevent Gmail from connecting properly, and that can trigger login or syncing errors. To fix that, open your device settings, then go to date and time. Look for the option that says set automatically and turn it on. This makes sure your device uses the correct current time based on your location. Once that is enabled, go back to Gmail and refresh the page or try connecting again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If Gmail still isn't working, the next thing to try is switching your network connection. Sometimes the issue is not Gmail itself, but the internet connection you're using. Turn your Wi-Fi off and back on, or turn mobile data off and back on if you're using your phone. You can also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, depending on what device you're using. After changing the connection, open Gmail again and retry. A fresh network connection can often clear temporary connection problems and get everything working normally. If you're still seeing error 9816, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Old cookies and cached files can sometimes interfere with Gmail and stop it from loading correctly. Open your browser, click the 3-dot menu, and choose Delete Browsing Data. In the options, select cookies and cached images and the files. Then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and go back to Gmail. This forces the browser to load a fresh version of the site instead of using stored data that may be causing the error. So to recap, if you want to fix Gmail error 9816, first check that your system date and time are set automatically, then switch your network connection, and finally clear your browsing data. These 3 steps solve the issue for many users and are the safest fixes to try first. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.